Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make text run in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to make text run in Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we open our PowerPoint application on the computer. Create a new work page. Well, here it is already on the PowerPoint work page. Here we will make the text run. First we enter the Insert menu. Enter text box. Here we finish the desired text place. Type the text first. For example, making text run in Microsoft PowerPoint. Next, enter the Animation menu. Select the one, Fly In. Well, here it is moving. But I want to move from right to left. The way to enter the Effect Options menu. Down and select Form Right. Well, here it is from right to left. Next, enter Animate Prime. On the right side there is an Animate Prime menu. Here tap the down arrow. And select Timing. Well, here also select Timing. And in the Start section, change it to With Previous. And in the Duration section, select 5 seconds, very slow. And tap OK. Well, next in the text we copy and paste. Well, here it has become two texts. In the text that has been copied. On the right side there is an Animate Prime menu. Here tap the down arrow. And select Timing. Well, here also select Timing. Well, in this section, Delay, enter 0.5 and tap OK. Then block all text. And go to the Shape Format menu. On the right, select Align. Down select Align Top. Go to Align again. Down select Align Center. Well, here the two texts have merged. We reduce the display of the work page. Move the text out of the work page like this. And let's try to run it. Well, here the results are already visible. But still stops once. To make it multiple times, tap All Text. On the right there is an Animate Prime menu. Here tap the down arrow. And select Timing. Now here also select Timing. Now in the Repeat section below, change it to Until End of Slide. And tap OK. Now it's done, we can run it. So that's it. Tutorial how to make text run in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.